Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to hide your reading notes during a PowerPoint presentation step by step. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and launch the presentation. Once your presentation is open, go to the Slideshow tab on the toolbar at the top of your screen. This tab is usually located between Review and Animations. Click on it to view the slideshow options. Next, in the Monitor section, check the box labeled Use Presenter View. This splits the display so your audience sees only the slides while your notes remain visible on your computer screen. Now add your speaker notes, go through each slide, and look at the bottom of the screen for the Notes section. Type any reminders, key points, or additional information you want to refer to during the presentation. When you start your slideshow in Presenter View, your notes will be visible only to you, keeping your slides clean while helping you recall important details seamlessly. And that's it. By following these steps, you can hide your reading notes and deliver a professional, polished PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.